Kay Jesus Kristani nga pangutaw hi. Amen. Piso nga lang nang maintang na panay pi iba. Tuza na lang pakay hiti ato.
Tua suna duty ho na po no jong let shutdown hi akisahi laji.
Nang mapilo pakay subuti pi o umpo.
Bao na lang man yo.
The Committee on Tribal Unity COTU would like to thank all the volunteers and general public for extending unwavering support to the ongoing 48 hours total shutdown in Sadar Hills, Kangpokpi district against the unlawful detentions of the two Koukhiba individuals and the kidnapping of innocent civilians on a marriage party, 4 of whom were brutally murdered and 1 is still struggling for life in a remote hospital. If the government does not pay heed to the legitimate demands of the Koukhiba community, after the 48 hours total shutdown, the committee will immediately consider another course of action in consultation with the public. Therefore, the committee appeals to the general people to remain alert and continue to support our fight for justice. We believe in the power of the institutions of democracy and the voice of the people. Our right to stand against majoritarian rule and dictatorial tyranny should be fought to an end.